All right. Good day, everyone. Good night to everyone. I greet you all. Anytime you are watching this video, I greet you according to the time. I remain your brother, Bro James, the online mentor. I am doing this video to teach you and show you how to ear Tron, how to get Tron cryptocurrency coin for free using this method that I'm using. In this very platform that I'm going to introduce to you, it doesn't involve deposit. It's not mandatory you will deposit Tron. If you wish, you can deposit to earn more. But if you don't wish, it's not a must. But there's two ways that you can earn Tron here. You can earn it by affiliating, or you can earn it by accumulation. By affiliating is by referring people. When you refer people, you will get bonuses, and those bonuses can be withdrawn to your wallet. But if you are going to stake it and be collecting it every day, you will stake it and be collecting every day, it will accumulate to a certain amount, then they will allow you to withdraw. And know that diligency here matters. Is what will guarantee your withdrawal. Diligency. That's why I cannot tell you the specific amount you accumulate reach before you will withdraw, because my diligency cannot be the same with you. Maybe me, I am collecting a daily. Maybe you some days you miss out. I will collect my own before you. So it doesn't matter of how much you accumulate, but how diligency you are in this platform. So all you need to know to do is, I want to show you how you will stake it. Like now, if you never register, when you click on the link in the group, look at this form will appear. Put your phone number, create your login in PIN, create your security password, then you will now sign in this proof code. Like here is N5X2. Your own might be different. Anytime you come here, they will give you a different code. So you will put it there and you will click sign up on this arrow that is facing by the right side. But before we go into login and show you how to do that, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell and thumbs up this video so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. So I'm going to log into this account to show you, because I want to tell you there's a lot coming next year between March and February. Between January and February, more is coming, because I'm investigating some things which, according to the demand of you people in the legit online business. So I'm investigating some things. I want to meet up with your demands based on some demands that people are demanding in that group on how to make money online daily. I am investigating some things which I want to introduce them by next year, between January and February. So stay tuned and subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified anytime I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. Don't touch that notification bell and thumbs up this video. So let me log into this into my account and show you how you can do this. So right away, I'm going to click on login here. I am going to log into my account. Then as I log in, if you never stake, as I log in here, don't be in haste to go in. Stand steady. If you see this kind of information, click on close. But if you not see this kind of information, there's another information will appear, which I hope either before this or when you close, it will appear asking you to stake. Click on yes to stake it. That is all to stake. So when you click on it to stake it, it will not stake. Like now, I'm going to close this one because I have stake already. So that information will appear asking you whether to stake. So click on yes. Then I'm going to close to show you. Then when you click on yes, just tomorrow, after 24 hours, come to this trading. come to this trading. Yes, when you come here, you will see something like this will appear. So look at, like now, I have to receive 118.251456 tron now, which is showing receive at the blue page, showing me to click on it to claim it to my dashboard. When you go to my dashboard, when you go to look at what I'm having 1970.8576 tron accumulating here. So when you come to this trading, after 24 hours of staking, you will see something like this. So now, as you see my balance here, I'm going to click on this receive. Now, as I click on this receive, it says successful. You understand? So let's go there and see. Look at it. I'm having 2089.10905 now. So then when you refer somebody, this amount will be accumulating here, but when you refer somebody to accumulate here, but after 24 hours, that amount you get from referring will be extracted to this very place, will be extracted to this very place here. That is where you will find it. Then when you now go to withdraw, it will now show you amount you have to withdraw. You understand? Like now, look at this amount here. You will now have something here to withdraw to your wallet. You understand? If it up to 24, I will have shown you how to do that. But anytime I'm going to withdraw, I'm going to do a new video and drop to show you how you can withdraw from here. So you can do this, and make sure you are using a Tron network or TRC20 network Tron of TRC20 to withdraw. That is how you will withdraw it. So now, what I want you to know from here is, when you are now collecting this thing every day, accumulating there every day, it will guarantee you to withdraw it faster. Then when coming to investment, if you want to invest another Tron to be receiving more profit, you will come to invest. When you come to this, you will see something like this. So maybe you want to, minimum is 20 tron. You can do that, and the interest on it is 0.5% on 20 tron. So you are going to do that, which is 3 days. It will return to you, including the 20 tron. If it is and this thing, if it is the second investment, which is 7 days, that will be 200 tron you will invest here. That is, the income is 2.0%. After 7 days will come to you, they will forward it to your dashboard, which if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw to your wallet. That is how here this platform works. So only thing you need to do, register it. When you register it, when you open, you will see that information to stake. Click yes to stake, so that every day you'll be receiving it. Every day you'll be receiving your tron. Every day you'll be receiving your tron. This platform is very reliable to withdraw. There's nothing to scam here. It's very reliable to withdraw. And when you are referring that, so that anytime I'm withdrawing to wallet, I will do a video and show you and drop to you to see how to withdraw.